The year is 2154. Our planet has been ruined by environmental catastrophe. In the movie Avatar, greedy prospectors from Earth descend on the world of an ancient hunter-gatherer people named the Na'vi. Their home is a lush moon far beyond our solar system named Pandora. Could such a place exist? And could our technology and our appetite for exploration one day send us hurtling out to reach it? In fact, the supposed site of this fictional solar system is one of our most likely real interstellar targets, until a better destination turns up. Pandora orbits a fictional gas planet called Polyphemus. Its home is a real place, Alpha Centauri, the brightest star in the southern constellation of Centaurus. At 4.37 light-years away, it's part of the closest star system to our Sun. Alpha Centauri is actually two stars, A and B, one slightly larger and more luminous than our own Sun, the other slightly smaller. The two stars orbit one another, swinging in as close as Saturn is to our Sun, then back out to the distance of Pluto. This means that any outer planets in this system, anything beyond, say, the orbit of Mars, would likely have been pulled away by the companion and flung out into space. For this reason, Alpha Centauri was not high on planet hunters' lists. It's safe to assume for now that we would only send a probe to Alpha Centauri if we discovered a habitable world. There may be other choices in our solar neighborhood. They include Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf star 4.2 light-years away that may be gravitationally bound to Alpha Centauri. Beyond that, not quite 6 light-years away, is Barnard's star. Or there's Leland 21185, a red dwarf 8.3 light-years away. We already know it has 2 Jupiter-sized planets. There are at least 22 stars within 12 light-years of Earth. And any way you look at it, the first interstellar voyage will be a quantum leap for humanity. Whether we attempt to make this leap to the stars may come to depend on how we regard this planet. To the physicist Stephen Hawking, the journey is imperative. "I don't think the human race," he said, "will survive the next 1,000 years unless we spread into space. There are too many accidents that can befall life on a single planet." Indeed, we can't foresee the impact of wars, social upheaval, or the course of human civilization in coming centuries. But today, we can see the often conflicting trends that could one day propel us out into the interstellar void. No doubt, if or when we launch our first mission beyond this solar system, the occasion will spur reflection on who and what we have become as a people, as a planet, just as the first missions to the moon and our neighboring planets once did. At first, we'll send a probe designed to relay basic information on what's there, on a world whose light we have only studied from afar. As this cosmic emissary makes its way across the void, we on Earth will continue to struggle in our pursuits of happiness and prosperity, or of mere survival. When it arrives, we'll scan the data for evidence of a world like our own, one that may harbor life. How will our perspectives on that world, and upon our own, have changed?